What's up guys, I'm Makila. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be trying out a headband wig. I've been seeing them everywhere and I wanted to get my hands on one. The wig that I'm going to be trying today is from a brand called Longqi. I think that's how you say it, but they're on Amazon. So if you would like to see the wig and the specs and how they work, please keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, I bought this wig on Amazon. I'll leave everything down below for you guys if you guys would like to try it out. Okay, let me just show you the wig. So the wig comes in this box. I already took it out to wash it, but it comes in that box and this is the wig. So it's 14 inches and it's 150 density and it's in like the natural brown. I mean, the curls are really pretty, and it comes with the headband already attached. Also, if you order from this brand, they do include headbands. If you guys don't already know, I own my own hair accessory brand, so I won't be using any of the headbands that came with it. I'm going to be trying it out with headbands from my own brand, SVNMIA. I'll be linking it down below for you guys. Okay, so yeah, this 14-inch wig costs $82.99, which isn't too bad. I mean, it doesn't have lace on it, so usually it's the lace that makes it more expensive. So yeah, this is my real hair. It's kind of oily right now because it's been like 2 weeks since I got it done. The wig does come with a wig cap, but I don't know where I put mine. I'm just gonna put my hair up and put the wig cap on. I'm pushing this back a little bit because with the headband wig you could actually show like your own edges, which is nice because there's nothing that's going to be on your edges causing any friction or pulling out any of your hair. So that's a huge plus with these headband wigs. I'm going to go ahead and style my edges. I'm using She's Bomb Edge Control. You could also find this on Amazon. I'm not good at styling my baby hair, but I'm gonna try anyways. Okay, so that's as good as it's gonna get. Okay, so let me show you a little bit of specs about the wig because this is new to me. Okay. So the wig comes with a comb in the middle and a comb at the nape. The headband isn't in one piece. It has two Velcro straps that you could attach in the back of your head. In the front, I can imagine that you could do this hairstyle as well if you had braids in. It feels too far up, but I'm gonna push it back. Okay, and I'm gonna attach the clip in the back. Yeah, that front clip is a little too high up, so I'm gonna move it. Now I'm gonna just Velcro the straps together. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. The curls are really pretty, but I want it to look a little bigger. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could probably put some layers in here, but I don't want to mess with it too much. So like it's nothing in this hair. I just washed it with conditioner because it did come with like, you know, that factory wiggy smell that some wigs have. This one definitely had it, so I made sure to condition it and it feels really nice. I mean, it's crazy the type of things you could buy on Amazon and get to your house in like 2 to 3 days. Like a whole wig. Okay, so it looks really cute even with the headband. I know some people wouldn't just wear it like this, but it actually doesn't look bad to me. We're gonna try on a few of my headbands with this wig to see the full look. So I picked a few headbands from my brand that's in my collection because I don't keep every single design for myself, but I keep a few. So this headband is called Clara. It's flannel. I personally love flannel, and I think it's perfect for the fall winter time. This headband is $10. You can find it on my site, and I'm just gonna put that on top of that black headband. This is cute. In my last video, I had a black faux leather headband, and that is called Noel. It's also on my site, and we're gonna try the green one today since my top is kind of like a sage color. I also have this one. This one's called Joy. It has like you know, a little bling for the holidays, but this one's a little bit, yeah, this one's a little skinnier than the headband, so you can still see the band. Maybe if I hide the band a little bit, I'm gonna just push it back, and then yeah, perfect. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. Okay, yeah, this headband and this wig, it's everything. Okay, so this headband is called Okoya. Oh, that's so cute. So this headband here is called MOMBASA. I have this in a few other colors on my site, and we're gonna try one more. Okay, this one is called Tinsley. I'm not sure if you guys can really see it, but it's like a ruffled sparkly black material, and it's really cute with this wig too. I want you guys to let me know down below which headband was your favorite, but for this look I think I'm gonna go with Nia, the bedazzled one. I don't know, it just gave me the pop that I need right now, and I just love that the headband piece that's on the wig is adjustable. I like that I could just push it back and like wear whatever headband that I want to and still show some of my natural hair. I think that's just like the best part about these headband wigs. Honestly, they're very versatile, and I also think this is a good protective hairstyle for your hair because your hair is just like tucked underneath the wig. The only thing you're going to be touching is your edges, and you know, sometimes you just gotta let your edges breathe. Like being under those wigs, like I haven't worn my wig in a minute. The last time I wore it was just to take photos, and then I took it right off that same day. I just haven't been with it, so I think this will be like the perfect thing for me, especially since I film and I create content. This will just be easy to just pop on my head, and then when I'm done I could just take it right off. So you guys are going to be seeing this wig a lot. Maybe I might get like another texture or even go longer. I'm not sure, but I really like this wig. Before I forget to mention, I will be having Cyber Week sales over at SVNMIA.com. So if you've seen any headbands that you liked or you would like to check out my site, I'll be having a lot of deals on there coming up. So make sure to sign up for our newsletter so you don't miss anything. And yeah guys, that wraps up today's video. Let me know down below which headband was your favorite and how you feel about these headband wigs. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.